Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an ice cream tiger inspired by Miniso. So let's get started. To draw the sweet tiger, let's first start by drawing the nose and mouth area. So right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve, nice and round, kind of like aiming to draw this little oval shape. And now that I have this curve in, I'm going to bring it down, nice and round, and towards the center, I'm going to bring it in. And same thing on this side. There, so just creating that little shape right there with this part that comes in, and then we're going to come back to the top right here in the center, and I'm going to follow my top curve right here, and then we're going to draw the nose. So bring it down, round off the corners and towards the center, and then I'll come right here with another oval for a highlight and then shade everything else in. There, and then right at the bottom right here in this little space, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve. Then from there, let's come to the sides right here, and we're going to draw a circle for the eyes. So just right next to it, just nice size circle right next to the mouth and nose area, and same thing over here. So about right here. There. And since my circle is big enough, I'm going to come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So let's put two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. But if your circle is not big enough, you can just put one highlight right here on the top corner and then shade everything else in. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. This way I get to put some color in the eyes. Okay, so now that my eye is in, let's come above each eye. But right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And then from there, we're going to have to frame this face. So let's say the center of your eye. I'm just going to come out, see about right here. I'll just give myself a point. We're just going to be drawing this big, wide dumpling shape. So I have these 2 points, and from there, I'm just going to go up. I'll start at the top. I'm just going to draw this curve to create my oval. I'm going to head towards the center. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going, and come up. So if you're drawing really big, this really helps. And so I'm just going to come down right back to here. But if you're drawing small, you might not need these points just to draw this oval right on top. And then we're going to bring this down. So it's kind of like my usual dumpling shape, but a little bit wider. Bring this down, so about right there. And then I'm going to bring it down to the bottom, a little bit flatter. And here. And connect. And so just play around with it. Maybe you're more comfortable drawing the head shape first and then putting in the eyes and the nose. Or you can draw it the way I did. Put in this first and then surround it. Okay, so then now I have this big oval shape in, wobbly shape. I'm going to come back in the center right here and draw the tiger stripes. So right in the center, about right here, I'll just give myself 2 points, 2 lines right there, and then I'm going to come out, come back in, continue this, and then a smaller one to draw the stripe, and then come down again in the center, go back up. And we're going to draw the same thing on the other side. So it's just a cute way to draw the stripes on the tiger. So now that I have my head in, let's go around it and we're going to draw the ice cream part. So I'll come find my center, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from here, I'm basically just going to be drawing a bunch of curves that go all the way around. So just nice big curves. And we're just going to surround the head. Kind of looks like a lion, right? So it's kind of confused. What should I call it? Is it a tiger that wants to be a lion, or maybe a cat? I don't know, but it was just so cute. I wanted to draw this for you. A little plush from Miniso. And so then from there, come right back to my center. And so let's go and draw the same thing on the other side. And before I finish this side, I'm going to come right in this area, and I'll just draw 3 curves going at this curve right here angle, and then going to find my center, let's say about right here. Just give myself a point. I'm going to round it off for a little tip and bring it down. So this is the ice cream cone that's stuck on top there for the silly little tiger. And then I'm just going to draw in some stripes lightly to hopefully make it look like an ice cream cone there. And then let's see here, whatever space I have left, I'm going to go ahead and finish off the ice cream part. I assume that's what this part right here is supposed to be. This is the ice cream, that's the cone, right? So I'm just going to go around and finally connect. So nice and round. And then from there, let's just come back in this area. We're just going to put in an ear right there. Drag a point across. So it would be about right here coming out. Just approximate. Same thing on this side. So just imagine coming there, something like that. And we have the other ear. And then let's see here. Now that we have that, let's come back here before I forget, and I'm going to draw some whiskers. So 2 whiskers right in this area and here. So now that we're done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the little body. So right in this area, kind of like where the eye is, I'll come about right here, skip a little bit of space, and I'm going to draw a soft curve down. So here as well. So we just want to center the body about right there. And then let's see, I'm just going to imagine this body right here. So I'm not too long, not too tall, say about right here. I'm just going to right in the center draw a little curve right there. Then from there is where the legs are going to be. So let's bring this down. Just going to bring it in a little bit. And right here, just pop out, curve, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect. Very simplified cartoon body. So same thing over here. And connect. There. And then for the arms, come back out right here. And then we're just going to pop out this curve to simplify it. And same thing here. So just drag a point across. Make sure I'm about the same on the other side. There. And then let's draw the chest area. So that'd be really cute. Let's just add a little part right here, curve. So this is inspired by the plush. So kind of making it my own, right? Making some changes to it. So I'm going to put this little curve right here, and then in the center, of course, I'll put a heart to make it my draw. So cute ice cream tiger. And let's add some stripes right here. I hope this inspires you. You can make your tiger whatever you want, right? You could just change up this part. I don't know, make it some other dessert or some other animal. And then from there, let's draw a tail. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to pop out this tail. I'm going to curve it out, round it off, and then just follow my curve and bring it right back in. And then let's add some stripes in here just to simplify it. One more. There. And that is pretty much it, I think, for this. Take a look at my camera, just adjust your head's shape right there a little bit, and that is pretty much it for this Miniso inspired tiger that wants to be an ice cream. It's just perfect for summer, right? And I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.